Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I admit it, it's a 16 by 20 inch dry prime canvas and I'm addicted to swiping, so I'm going to do some of that. These are acetate swipe cards cut in different shapes, and I'm going to keep them nice and handy. I'll wipe off the one I just used, and I have a large bottle of Meeden black. I hope I don't use up too quickly. And I'm going to give myself permission to start any way I want, which includes experimenting. And I'm going to grab an OXO omelet turning spatula. See how that works with some spontaneously added gold. I might be very tempted to put a little bit more of down. And I picked up a card. Oh, interesting. Pretty much everything I do that I practice that's spontaneous is meant to give me information that I might be able to use in a landscape at some point in time. So that's pretty cool. Nice little cells, lots and lots of them. I'm inclined to use some Meeden white right down the center of this for no other reason than because I can. Assuming I can lay my hands on it. There it is, it's right there, cool. I didn't really spend a lot of time thinking about this. I need some more gold soon. There's my Meeden white. I'm going to take a quick spatula to that. My number one is a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. It's available on the Amazon link. I love my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. This is my go-to one. I'm going to take that paint that's on that spatula and put it right over the edge and then wipe the rest of it off on my Lolifi silicone mat. Lolifi! I'm not sure how it's pronounced. This is my hot orchid from Color Art. If you know me, you know I'm addicted. That's more 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana. This is a turquoise with iridescent pearl fine in it from Golden. And I'm going to have a little bit more black. Meeden, which is my regular pouring recipe that you'll find under the video, and a little tiny bit of water. Now I like, where's my triangle? I'm going to round my corners out. Probably going to scrape some of my excess off and wipe it off on my... Oh, look, that's pretty. I wonder if I have enough white in there. Let's go. Let's go all directions. Yeah, I wasn't sure about the colors for a second, but I'm liking them. Might be really simple and it might be really fast. I'm going to take all of my turquoise that's on that card that I can see, put it right down on that edge. I might be tempted to try a little bit of gold and see how I like that. And if I can get any of it to come off or not from the other side. I kind of like that actually. That's the benefit of having the Meeden paint all over. Is I like that gold on the edge. I don't really want to destroy too many cells. Oh, like the ones I just made go away. Oh, and they were so pretty too. Oh no. They'll come back. Let's just work from the other direction. I want some more pink. Like a whole lot more pink. I want a better tool too. To keep the pink in play. Yeah, I'm gonna like that. The Hot Orchid. The Hot Orchid Connection from Color Art. Yep, I like that. Nice cells. Interesting experiment with the colors. I think I might put some Hot Orchid everywhere, to tell you the truth. And that did not work. No, it just sinks into the black because I'm pushing it down with the card. It's probably a better way to do that. Probably if I blow some up from the edge, that might work. Just using the very corner of the card to drag out some tendrils. That's pretty sharp. I like it. I don't like it when the bottle isn't smooth, but I don't think it's going to hurt me if I'm careful to reconnect my tendrils. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need another one. I need that thing that's in there, out of there. I don't know what it is, but it does not belong. Yeah, that one's a lot bigger than the others. That was probably me attempting to squeeze something. I don't think it's going to hurt too much. I'll just put another one in over here. And a few more to distract the eye. Yes, I like that. I I like the big cells that have exploded from the Decor Americana 24 karat gold over on this side. I definitely want to play with this. Yeah, that's what I want to do right there. Let's add a few dollops. I don't want it to be too uniform, but I've already gone there, so I don't know what to say about that. Maybe bringing some black back in won't hurt. I'm not sure that was necessary. But I got a lot of things I do like. I think that's fine. I think I'm good to go. So I got to tell you guys, there's over 91,000. There's almost 92,000 of you subscribed. And if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, thank you for being here. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We have over 1,900 videos coming up. Most of them, 1,800 of them are probably available to view. There's probably another 100 that are unscheduled, or what's the word I'm looking for? In any case, I think we're going to torch. Can't find the word. Going to give up. I really want some white up there, don't I? Yes, I do. All right, let's see if I can lead those along. I think I want a little tiny bit. Just nudging the palette knife into the edge of the paint and dragging it ever so lightly. That's interesting. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys I love you. I'm going to ask for your thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate that. I did some good experiments. I like my colors. I like the drama. I love those cells that are exploding in the background through the black paint. They're pretty amazing. Very dramatic, very abstract. I'm going to try and give you guys a close-up. I'm going to take some of this black paint and put it right along the edge of the canvas right now. Right there. Before it dries anymore. And tell you guys thank you for the thumbs up. Did I say that already? Thank you for the compliments. You keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And if you're interested in being somebody who helps support the production of videos, you may certainly be welcomed into the monthly drawing by contributing through PayPal or Patreon. You can find the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner on my channel, or you can look at the link tree, which is right below the video. Wow, look at that. Some of those are great. Overall effect is sort of like this thing I saw on Instagram that colored fire. I'm not sure which way is up yet. Kind of, I think this way is. Sorry, didn't mean to make your head spin. Yeah, that's there's some drama there. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to look for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibility, on the Amazon link on the link tree. And link tree. Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors. Fans and Collectors has albums. Totes and More has shopping. Appreciation Group is for students. Look for my Teespring clothing underneath the video. It's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots more cool stuff. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on the link tree. Thank you again for everything, and make sure you don't forget I have almost 1,900 videos, 1,800 of them available and organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden in my paint pouring recipe, which is underneath the video when you click show more. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and my email address is directly when you click show more right under the link tree. And that's the way to contact me if you're interested in making a purchase of an artwork. You can cruise the exhibition videos on that playlist and give me a time, or you can give me the hashtag and the date, which are always helpful, and send me an email in regard, and I'll send you a dry photo, because usually they're wet. The cells have developed magnificently, and the colors are different than usual. I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, out for now. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. See ya.